So you finally got your kids back to school and then they're ill, of course. But you've still got to do your 2-minute tutorial. And that's why I'm here today. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can insert PowerPoint slides from another PowerPoint into the one that you're working on, rather than having to open up a million different PowerPoint documents. So let's go! Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can insert slides into a new PowerPoint presentation from an existing one without having to open up loads of different PowerPoints, which is very. So you can either go to the Home tab or the Insert tab, and you'll see here there's a button called Reuse Slides. So this opens up the tab to the right here, as you can see, and it's already given me some existing PowerPoints that I can actually use, which is really useful. So that's probably ones that I've had open recently. The other great thing is I can actually search for a specific file that I want to find. And this will show you what files you have on your PC, but also what is in OneDrive and SharePoint, which is really useful because you might have other presentations that other people have created that you want to use as well. So here we go, I found the one that I want to use, so I'm going to select Choose Content, making sure that the Use Source Formatting box is ticked, and I'm going to insert the slides that I want to use. So here we go. Very useful. And now I can either close this tab or I can try and find some other PowerPoints that I want to use slides from. So there we go. What's great about this though is also, like with some PowerPoint presentations that you might be working on, you don't want to like save over existing work by accident, which sometimes happens. So what this does is make sure you have fresh content in your new PowerPoint presentation, and you can edit it as well. So you're making sure that you're not saving over any existing work. So that's a really short, quick and easy one today, and hopefully will help you with your PowerPoints. Thanks for listening.